So we need to get into strings. We have, as we saw at the beginning, your code blocks when you're using parentheses to create a string. We can also do it with our input. We just search for a string. It says an input of a string, and then we can write whatever we wanted. The thing here is that it already knows it's a string. Important features here is that with the code blocks, we can, if we don't use the quotations, we will have a formula that will have the variables we set. So for example here, name, just going to copy this one to become last, with a little space at the beginning. Name, it was something like that. Then we have the functions for strings, so we can change cases. For example, we with the string, and in this case it asks for a boolean, so we can also get a boolean. True, name last. False, name last. We go back and we have here concat. So even though we can do it with a plus, we can just add different types of strings to get just one single string. The result will be, it's because it has 3, it's name last. We can add another one as well, we can have third one, and it has those elements. Important, we have here count occurrences. So for example, we want to know how many times the A is being repeated. So we set up search for A. Ignoring case means that if it's comparison with capitals or lower letters, it says it has 2. If we have a list, it will make a list as well. So for example, ends with. If it ends with a letter, index of, for example, if it ends with T, it says true, index of, search for, and it gets the string A. It gets 2. That means that's the first position it appears, which will be 1, 2. Important, we have remove, we have replace, so you can change a letter for another one. You can split. So in this case, if you set name and the split asks for a letter M, split the separator and it's 2 lists, NA, and the other list goes M, or goes E. It can help us if we're trying to get rid or we're trying to split. With a special character, we have remove, replace, to lower, to upper, the same thing will apply. And with that, we can help for getting our text together if we're using it with information data.